Hey guys, it's Gravagoo. As I said, I've been making lots of trades and purchases, so I received another 2 packages in the mail. So I'm gonna be opening them with you guys. So the first one, not sure where this one's really from. Like I said, I've been making lots of trades and purchases. See some extras thrown in here, which is really nice. Okay, this is a trade done on Sports Card Forum. Just take it out of the top loader. Before showing the card, here's some extras that were thrown in. Let me just focus that in. Josh Pay, I don't even know how to pronounce that last name. Some baseball card and Jordan Stahl base from this year's SP Game Used. And the main card was part of the trade was from 11/12 Panini Elite rookie autograph of Matt Fradin. So really nice addition to the Fradin PC. That is numbered 47 out of 75. Alright, so that's the first package. Now onto the second package. As I should be aware, this should be a really big card. One of my best cards in my Fradin PC, I would have to say. And it is. These 2 cards are thrown in, and this was a trade done on CnC. So let me just quickly show you the numbering on there. 1/1 Matt Fradin from 11/12. Upper Deck the Cup, rookie printing plate and autograph. Autograph rookie masterpieces, 1/1 auto printing plate of Matt Fradin. So really nice card. It's from SPX, 1/1. So that is my first 1/1 card. And really nice addition to the Matt Fradin PC. So thank you guys for watching. These 2 cards are for PC, not for trade. I'll see you guys next time.